Hi friends, in this video we would be explaining you 1 more feature of Copier, which is provided into PickMyTrade. So let's say you are managing 10 different accounts. Those particular 10 different accounts could be with different platforms, maybe with your friends or maybe a user who you are managing. It could be anything. So you could key in the trade from your account and it's going to get placed in all the account which you are managing from one particular place. So that kind of feature which is not available in any other platform. So we have provided that feature and it can take trade from the trading view itself only. For that we have already created a video and I would put that particular video's link in the description as well. So if you want to watch it and learn how to do through trading view, you can watch that particular video and you can automate. But let's say if you don't want to do it through trading view, you want to key in the trade manually for that particular thing we have created this screen. So now let me explain you how it's going to work. First you would be adding the accounts. So as you can see, I have added 2 accounts. One is my own account if I want to copy into my account as well. And this is another account which I logged into there. This is my another account which I want to copy. And in this particular account, I want to copy in this Tradovate account. So one Tradovate login could have multiple accounts. So I can specify multiple accounts over there. So I specified it over there. And in this account I want to place trade into this Tradovate account. Then we have a risk percentage and quantity multiplier. Let me explain that as well. So risk percentage is, if you are using our platform, there, we can specify risk percentage. That is on the root level. But let's say if you want different percentage. So like, for this client, you want 1%, for this, you want 2%, for another 3%. So that kind of flexibility we have provided, and let's say if you don't want to give that percentage, you can give the quantity multiplier as well. So whatever quantity I am going to put, let's say I put the quantity over there as 1. It would place a quantity for this particular account as a 2 because quantity multiplier is 2. And let's if I put that quantity as a 2, then it would place the quantity for this particular account as 4, and for this particular account it would take the account value and accordingly I would calculate the quantity for that, and you can edit, you can add more things. So you pass the token, then their account name, whether you want quantity as a risk percentage, quantity multiplier, and in quantity multiplier you put the quantity being multiplied. If it is a risk percentage, you pass risk percentage. So that kind of things you can add as many times as you want. And you have to save this once only. You don't need to save every time when you are going to trade. So now let's trade with the NQM2024. So we are going to place a trade for NQU2024. We are going to place a buy trade for risk percent, because we already put the quantity, so we are not going to put risk percentage. Let's see what the NQ is. Moving 20. So I put the entry price 20, 287. For take profit I will put 20, 300. And for stop loss I will put 20, 250. Okay, so now let's try to submit the order and let's see how it goes. Submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
You get the 2 alerts. Let's see. So there, we placed the market order and we placed that limit order, take profit and stop loss order. Let's see in another account as well. So this, we placed 20, market order, limit order, stop order. So that kind of things we can achieve easily in PickMyTrade. We have 3 direction buy, sell, close, so you can place a buy, sell, trade, or close. Let's say if you're already in buy and you just want to close, you don't want to open the trade, so you just place a close, and same for the sell. So you are in short trade and you don't want to open a long trade, you just want to close that particular trade. So you pass the close. So that's how it's going to work. And if you face any issue, please let us know. Anyway, that's a kind of great feature which could be useful if you are managing multiple accounts. So I think that's all. That's pretty much what I want to show you. So keep using PickMyTrade. Thank you.